Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to reset mobile network settings in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. First, swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here, scroll all the way down and then go to General Management. After that, scroll down again and then go to Reset. From here, scroll down a bit, then go to Reset Mobile Network Settings. And here at the bottom, reset settings option. You can also choose SIM card from here. If I select SIM 2, then tap on reset settings. Then you have to type your current PIN or pattern. Then tap on continue. Then tap on reset again to confirm it. And that's it. Now your mobile network settings has been reset successfully. And that is how you can reset mobile network settings in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.